So can you really clean with just natural products without getting anything with harsh chemicals in it? Do you think you can do it? You can. Hi, I'm Cecily from Cecily on Point, and I like to use natural products when possible. I don't want to use things that have a lot of harsh chemicals in it, and unfortunately, to get things clean today, a lot of the products have things in it that I don't necessarily want using around my house. So I want to share with you the top things to always keep on hand that you will be able to get your house spick and span, not only your house, but even clothing, spick and span, and your body spick and span without necessarily having to use things with harsh chemicals in it. So if you like this information and you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and come back soon because I'm always doing something to give you some more helpful information. Number one item that you have to have is baking soda. Baking soda is a must-have, either in a large size like this, or you can do the small boxes. What's great about it is it works as a freshener for your laundry, your carpets. It's great for scratchless cleaning, your stovetops, your bathtubs, your ovens, and it's great for deodorizing, to put in your cat litter box, to put in your dishwasher, and you can even use it for freshening your pool, keeping it sanitized and keeping the eye irritation down. So baking soda, and lest I forget, you can also use it in certain recipes for cooking. So baking soda is a really, really important thing to have on the shelf. This, I would say, is your number one. Distilled white vinegar. This you must always have on the shelf for so many reasons. It's made from acetic acid, which is a natural odorless compound, but it gives vinegar its sour flavor and smell. But it's also in a lot of over-the-counter household items that you buy right in the store, so it's a very safe product. But this makes vinegar the safe, natural choice to use for household cleaning, countertops, ovens, anywhere that you really want to disinfect and cut through grease, grime, mineral deposits, and it even acts through killing bacteria. So it's wonderful. Couple this with baking soda and it makes a foaming great cleaner. So you want to keep this on hand all the time, as well as using it to make some salad dressing. So white vinegar is a must. Pure Castile soap. There is nothing like this. This is made from 100% plant product. No animal byproducts, no harsh chemicals, just pure soap, which translates into being able to wash your hair, your body, your clothes, your animals, your children, anything imaginable you can clean with this soap. It comes unscented as well as in a variety of really, really nice scented aromas as well. You dilute it, so one bottle of this will last you a really long time, but you must have Castile soap. Distilled water. So you probably say, why distilled water? Well, because there are no minerals in distilled water. Many times your tap water is called hard water because it's got a lot of minerals in it. And minerals cause streaking and leave residue. You're not going to get that when you use distilled water. Many times when you're making your own products that you're going to spray or use as cleaners, and it involves needing to be diluted or you need to add some water to it, distilled water is always the best choice. So a jug of this isn't very expensive, but it is worth keeping it on your shelf so that you've got it for cleaning, especially windows, glass, and burns does a lot more. It's a great whitening and cleaning agent for your floors, for your countertops. If you want to clean children's toys in a non-toxic way, mixed with or diluted with some distilled water, there are numerous uses that you have for hydrogen peroxide. You want to have at least the 3% is what you want to have on your shelf, and you don't want to mix it with things like alcohol because you'll have an adverse reaction to that. So just be sure to have this on the shelf, but research what you can mix it with before use, but make sure you have it. Isopropyl alcohol. I said it. Okay, this is a really important thing to have on your shelf for so many reasons. It is a great antiseptic, which it says right here, also for rubbing sore muscles. There are many things that you can do with alcohol. It's what's used in like Perrier to make sure that you have a good hand sanitizer. So alcohol in any size that you can have in the house, always be sure that you have this. Also good for those minor cuts, bruises, burns, etc., like peroxide. But you want to have alcohol on hand, but don't mix with peroxide. Have it on hand though. Coarse kosher salt. This is terrific to have on the shelf, especially for your cast iron pans. And you know I've got to think about my cast iron pans. So for cleaning it, this is what you use as your abrasive. It's natural, and you don't have to worry about the harsh chemicals, and you don't want it leaching into the cast iron. So you definitely want to have coarse, kosher salt on hand. It also works great if you need to dissolve some salt. If you're in the Northeast or someplace where you get a lot of ice, so just have some kosher salt, coarse kosher salt on hand. Fresh lemons. I wish I could juggle, but I can't. You would think it would be easy with just 3, right? But I can't. Anyway, fresh lemons. Always have fresh lemons on hand. There are so many great attributes to fresh lemons. Besides them being terrific cleaners, great citrusy smells, so that if you want your home to smell fresh and lemony, as well as drinking it for health reasons or having it as lemonade, putting it on food, it is just, you can go crazy with lemons. Always, always, always make sure if you have nothing else, whereas your cleaning is concerned and everything else is concerned, whereas citrus, lemons are the way to go. Can't have too many. Buy them. Essential oils. You really can't have too many of them, and it's something that you need to start a collection of. But start with whatever your most favorite aroma is. Like you might want to start with lemongrass. A lot of people like the smell of lemon, so lemongrass might be a nice way to start. Or you might really love lavender. Those are 2 great aromas to think about starting with for essential oils. But I also have here eucalyptus, peppermint, citronella. I just collect them so that as I want to have different aromas and different things throughout my home, I've got a collection to work with. But start with at least 1. This is really something that you just need to have on your shelf, because it will get rid of that that smell of alcohol that you might not want from cleaning, or that smell from vinegar that you might not want from cleaning. These are great to have to add to the products that you're going to be doing your cleaning with. So start a collection, but get at least 1 essential. This includes my must-have list of everything that you need to have in order to clean absolutely everything. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you have these items in your pantry. And if you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and come back and see me frequently, because I'm always sharing something new. And look out for part 2, where I'll be telling you what tools you need to really clean everything with. So I'll see you soon, and get these products.